guys, Forza Maya here. It's my pleasure to see you in my next video. As one of my resolution or target last year which I did was I want to start reading a book, at least one book a month. Alright, I know one book a month is relatively slow, but I want to pick up reading. Right, it has been years since I took up reading because I'm more of a visual guy, so I watch a lot of videos. But then I thought, okay, let's start reading. So that's why I started with the reading itself. So I start with small books. So previously I started with this guy Lance Miller, right? One of his books on happiness, right? Seeking happiness. So you can check out in my another video which I've done. So my second book which I've read is actually on working with difficult people. Obviously, being in corporate, I work with different kind of people from different nationality and different background and stuff. So of course, some are good. It's not that everything will be good, right? So some are challenging, some are different. Some will actually challenge you to grow. So that's why I thought, okay, let's read this book. It's called Working with Difficult People, and it's written by this guy called Raphael Lapin. Okay, so if you want to know more about Raphael Lapin, you check out the link below. Right, I've given you the YouTube channel and also his LinkedIn link. Right, so you can check out on that. And but this guy, right? So this guy is actually a trainer, a consultant. Okay, so and he trained a lot of specialists in corporations, right, on negotiation and stuff. So when I saw this book, of course, because I want to start reading slowly, right, because I'm still a starter, so I thought, okay, let's start with a much more thinner book, all right? So that rather than going for a thick book which is like 1,000 pages, so, let's start with thin ones. So this book is pretty much small, okay? It's a bit bigger than my palm, but and it has probably like 60 pages, all right? And he broke it into 4 chapters, all right? So when I say 4 chapters, basically the 4th chapter reads about understanding difficult people, communicating with excellence, and negotiating conflict, and finally managing the difficult person. All right, so there are 4 different chapters which he has broke down. So it'll be very good for those who are in managerial line, okay, who has a lot of downline people, okay, and who are going to manage a team, right? It's not necessarily you're in corporate, but it can be even sports or a non-profit organization and stuff. So it'll be very helpful for you, and it's very straightforward. He has a lot of tips and guides. All right. One thing I liked about this was he has this thing called AFIR, AFIR, which is actually action, fact, and also inform and request. All right, so that is actually part of so-called avoiding blame statements. All right, so actually, sorry, it's not inform, it's actually impact. So it's basically action, feeling, impact, and request. All right, so this way he actually wrote about how not to blame people or not to blame a situation. All right, and how to make it smooth, okay, whenever there's issues. All right, so basically this book is whenever there's any issues, or when there's misunderstanding, miscommunication, how do you handle? All right, so that is one of it. So it's not that everything can be solved immediately, but at least things can be subsided. Okay, so make sure that's a win-win situation, right? So that's what basically this book teachers, right? So of course it's sold on Amazon, okay, but I'm not sure if it's delivered worldwide. But there's also another link called Book Depository. So that is actually where you can buy this book in Malaysia, and the price around 39 ringgit plus, right? So you can check out the link. I've given the link below. All right, so yeah, it's a good one. So if you have any other suggested books for me to read, yeah, I can comment on that. So I'm not going to go into deep on this book. Probably I'll do another video on this, right, on working with difficult people, right? Probably another specific video on this. All right, so today is just a book review, and it'll be good because the quality of the paper itself is good, and the thing is that it'll be good for you for a short read, for a short trip read and stuff like that. Okay, so with that, just check out this book, right? It's called Working with Difficult People, right? Written by Raphael Lapin. So, or you can check out, even there's a link there, www.dk.com. All right, so those are the publishers, right? DK. So I've also given the link below, right? dk.com, so you can check out that. All right, so with that, happy reading. I shall see you in my next book review itself. Good day.